Hello, it's Paula. I'm back with another video. I am not sure if I'm going to post this or not, but I thought I would film it and then make a decision about whether or not to post it. I did make a purchase a few weeks ago and it arrived. The purchase is from a company called Beautylish. They're an online makeup and skincare company that sells some brands that you won't see at Ulta or Sephora, like Jouer and Wayne Goss and Jeffree Star. I have bought from Beautylish in the past. I don't buy from them regularly. They don't really offer any great incentives, but if you really want some of those things that you can't find at your local Sephora or Ulta, they're the place to go to if you don't go straight to that person's website, like Jouer's website. Every year, right after Christmas, they have been doing what they call a lucky bag. It's a gift bag, like a mystery gift. So you don't know what you're buying, but you're spending the money, and the value overall of the product is double that what you pay for. So you're getting a good deal, but you wouldn't know if it's something you already have or something you don't like. So the regular Lucky Bag costs $75 and you're supposed to get $150 value of merchandise. And then they do a Lucky Bag extra large that I think costs $150 and it's worth like $350 worth of product. And both the bags sell out super fast every year. You have to like set your watch and an alarm and remind yourself to get online and buy it. And last year I decided not to do it because I was worried that I wouldn't like what I got. And then everybody started posting their lucky bags as they were arriving, and they were getting Natasha Denona and Jeffree Star palettes, like good stuff that I kind of felt like I had missed out on last year. So this year in January, I canceled my subscription to Ipsy and I canceled my subscription to BeautyCon, which totaled about $220 in savings for not paying for those subscription bags, just so I could do this box when it came around. And my intention was to buy the extra large bag, but it sold out before I got a chance to buy it. They had told everybody that they were going to start sales at 1:00 p.m. whatever time zone, and then they sent an email an hour earlier and telling everybody that they had decided to open it early. And so I got on there at the 1 p.m. time zone and it was already gone because I didn't see that email that said that they were starting an hour early. So I think I'm gonna open it right here. This could be good or bad. I don't know how I'm gonna react to this, but I thought, why not put it on camera and film it? The reason, because I saw some people getting like Prism palettes and Becca blush trios that I already have. And it would be so disappointing if what's in here is something that I already have. Now I have talked to a couple of people that would trade with me, so this may not be horrible even if that is what's inside this box, but I'm really hoping it's not. I have also seen some people get some really good stuff that I would love. So I'm scared. I'm scared to open this. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. So when you open it, there is some adorable wrapping paper. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Well, that's good. Either way, I could use some good fortune. All right, it's wrapped in tissue paper. I don't know if there's anything in here or not. That's just more tissue paper. Okay, so it's in here. Everything that I bought is in here. Okay. So far, so good. I have the Jouer Skinny Dip palette. Look at that. That's pretty. I don't keep packaging It is called, this is beautiful. Jouer Skinny Dip Collection Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows. I did see these on people's posts when this came out, and I almost bought it, but I didn't. Thank goodness. Knife. Okay. So I do know what this looks like. I've never seen it in person, only photos. It's a skinny little palette. There are only 6 shadows, and they're all foily, shimmery, metallic shadows. The first one is called, oh, they're soft. Starlight, it's a silver color. Then Bikini, that one's not as soft or as pigmented. Come on, Bikini, do your thing. Wow, are you seeing it? You could see it in the light, but there's not much going on there. The next one is called Skinny Dip. It's more of a golden. That's pretty. Color. And then Tan Lines is like a golden olive bronze color right there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And then, oh, I look like the Tin Man. We have Magical Hour. That one is like a taupey color. I love taupe, so that is no problem for me. And then the last one is called Midnight Swim. This is really dark and bronzy. Right on my knuckles. So overall, those are beautiful. Bikini is a little bit disappointing. All right, next we have the Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray. Shake, spray on wet or dry hair, tussle to taste, and let dry in the Saint Tropez air. Well, I cannot make Saint Tropez air happen today, but that looks interesting. I've never tried that brand. I believe I've heard some YouTubers speak highly of it, but I'm not familiar with it. Next is the CoverFX Anti-Aging Primer Base. And a healthy primer that not only extends foundation wear, but contains vitamins and a multi-peptide complex to support the natural production of collagen, improve clarity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. That sounds good. I could use all of that. So that is that. Wonderful. Next, I have a Wayne Goss brush. I have been subscribed to Wayne Goss for years. And he does talk highly of his own brushes. Obviously, they're his. But I've always wanted to try them. They are not cheap. They are expensive. So I have never bought one. But this is the number 10 brush. I am not exactly sure what this brush would be best for. It's maybe a highlighting brush. It's a little too small to be blush. I'll have to see what he recommends for it, but this is the number 10. Next we have, well, Charlotte Tilbury. This would be my first Charlotte Tilbury product. Instant Glamour in a tube, matte contour liquid lipstick in the shade Dolly Bird. Let's see what that color looks like. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Whoa. That looks like a beautiful pinky nude. Liquid lipstick. Oh, it's very moussey. It's a very moussey kind of formula. Consistency. Looks very matte. I am definitely looking forward to that. So far, this bag is turning out to be a win for me. And then the last thing is the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Mask. And it's just a mask that you can use once or twice a week at the first step after cleansing. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes to promote absorption. So I have never heard of this brand or this mask. I will try it out, and I will not be posting a picture of me wearing it on Instagram because it's creepy. So that is the contents of the Beautylish Lucky Bag, the regular size for this year. I'm actually happy with it. I'm actually really happy with it. This could have been a tale of, you know, never again, don't ever do this, but we'll have to see. I don't know if I'm gonna do it again this coming December. We will see where I'm at with my makeup use up, my project pans, and the progress I've made, but I don't regret buying this for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing of the Beautylish Lucky Bag for this year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.